Hello students, and good morning for the video class of Political Science. So we started with the 6th unit, Emerging Points of Indian Politics. We completed a number of the points, and today's topic is Youth Against Corruption. So at present, this corruption has become a biggest problem in the country, which can be seen across all the fields of the country, which has covered political, educational, health, each and every field. Even employment, wherever you go, you will find a corruption. Government as well as private also, all these areas have covered with this. Each and every field of society has covered by this corruption, and this is not a current issue or not current problem. So it is found in the society from the ancient time. So here about corruption also we see through this lesson. Kautilya also has mentioned about corruption that which is prevalent from the ancient time. Means from the Kautilya's period also corruption is there. He told that the person will taste the drops of the honey on his tongue. So definitely he is going to test. Means wherever the person is there, person is always greedy about the money and different things. So that greediness makes person corrupted, and he follows the wrong path. So corruption, which has been covered all the areas, all the fields of the society, of the human being's life, that corruption is going to be found everywhere. So in what forms and what are the another names for that corruption? So previously we see its names also. Once again we will see bribe, spilling, hafta, blessings of palm, even which is called as a nepotism. Favorism is there. So number of ways we can call this corruption. So which is found everywhere, and prevalent from the number of the places. Nepotism, cronyism, even favoritism is there. In some of favor we will give you some words, which creates a lot of problem. Or a person who is not eligible, that person will get that word. So what exactly corruption and how this word has derived? So the corruption word has derived from the Latin word rompere. By this Latin word, corruption word has derived, that is a rompere. So what do you mean by rompere? That is a breakdown. Rompere means breakdown. So what is going to be breakdown in a corruption? Yes, laws are going to be breakdown. Law and order. Law is going to breakdown. When the law is going to be breakdown, then it is called as a corruption. So just keep in mind, corruption is derived from the Latin word rompere, which means breakdown, and breakdown of law is considered as a corruption, and which is called as a bribe, speedy money, hafta, then blessings of farm, nepotism, cronyism is there, favorism is there. Okay, even number of the another names are there. Even some people used to call it as a prasad, sweet, भगवान का दिया हुआ प्रसाद है, which comes on the table, sometimes it comes under the table. So in many ways people use these words for corruption. So what is exactly definition? So Ram Ahuja has defined here. So what he has defined about the corruption. So the use of public power for private profit. Use of public power for the private profits in the way that constitutes the branch of law or deviation from the norms of activity. So in short, we can tell that use of public power for private profit or private gain. This definition has been given by Ram Ahuja about the corruption. One more definition which has been given by Awasthi and Maheshwari. So what they have told? The deliberate and intentional exploitation of one's position, status or resources directly or indirectly for personal gain or personal aggrandizement. So aggrandizement means for the increasement or gaining personal power. A person who is going to use public power for personal gain, his power, status, okay, so that all power and status is going to use for the personal gain. मैं अपने खुद के फायदे के लिए सरकारी ताकत और सरकारी जो ओहदा होता है, पोस्ट होता है, उस पोस्ट का गलत इस्तेमाल करता हूँ मेरे के लिए या फिर मेरे डेवलपमेंट के लिए. So which is considered as a corruption. Okay, so can you give me some examples of corruption which found in our country? नेता लोग तो यहाँ तक कि जो जंग में मरे हुए सैनिक होते हैं उनको दफनाने के लिए शव पेटियां बेचते हैं, कफिन्स होते हैं. सो वो शव पेटी जो रहती है वो खरीदते समय उसमें भी पैसा खाते हुए, यानी इतने नीचे इनकी मोरालिटी गिर गई है कि जिन पेटियों में शहीद जवानों को भेजा जाता है उन शव पेटियों में भी ये पैसा खाते हैं. So see what the morality level is now in a country, in between these politicians, in between number of officers. शायद आपने एक एग्जाम्पल देखा होगा, मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस मूवी में है. एक बूढ़ा व्यक्ति जो अपनी पेंशन के लिए लगभग 4-5 साल बस चक्कर काट रहा था गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस के, लेकिन उसको उसकी पेंशन नहीं मिल रही थी. क्यों? क्योंकि उसने उस सरकारी ऑफिसर को पैसा नहीं दिया था, लालच नहीं दिया था. तो वो मुन्ना उसको सुझाव देता है कि आप उसको थोड़ा सा लज्जित करो, तब जाकर वो आपका पैसा देगा. तो बूढ़े के पास तो पैसा नहीं था, तो एक एक करके वो चीजें अपने कपड़े निकालता है, अपनी बैग निकालता है, अपना चश्मा निकालता है, यहाँ तक कि पैंट भी उतार कर उसको देता है. तब जाकर वो ऑफिसर लज्जित होता है और उसका काम कर देता है. The morality level has gone very low level because of lack of morality, lack of moral education, value education. People have become completely corrupted, and number of the corruption examples we can see among that stamp paper. These are the examples for the corruptions. Stamp paper. फोल्डर. लालू प्रसाद का आपने तो नाम सुना ही होगा, जिसने कि जानवरों का खाना भी खा गया. सो दैट इज फोल्डर. जानवरों के खाने में भी करप्शन. फोल्डर इज देयर. स्पेक्ट्रम, 2G स्पेक्ट्रम. is there, and then others total. Others scam is there, which is related with the buildings. A huge buildings which are going to be constructed for the poor people, but those have been given to the another peoples, and what the land is going to be purchased, that is very negligible amount. So stamp paper, forward is there, Suji spectrum is there, Arush is there, Gophers is there. So number of the corruptions, these are the different examples. Even there are the list which is a infinite list we will get. The different corruptions done by all the politicians and number of the political parties. Okay, and if you see the total numbers, even this is others, it is about the household. The number of the scams are there. Okay. About the coal, कोयला जो खान से निकलता है, तो उसमें भी घोटाले हैं. हर एक चीज में आपको घोटाला मिलेगा, स्कैम्स मिलेंगे या फ्रॉड मिलेगा. To only become rich within a short time. People always want shortcuts to become rich. So for that, this administration is going to be completely disturbed, and where the people will choose the wrong path and they will earn money in a short time. Then what are the reasons and what measures we can take? So here good things are being given. What measures to be taken to eradicate this corruption? And what is the role of youth? How they can go against corruption? How corruption can be removed? So for that, some of the measures have been given. First one is about education. So by education, how we can remove corruption? So providing value education. Value education, which is going to be provided in school by the teachers, school, colleges by the teachers, and in home by the elders and your parents. Because parent and elder also are very important for giving value education as well as moral education. Moral education should be imparted by the parents and elder in home and teachers in school and colleges. So that makes the students aware about the corruptions, its problems, what other people are going to face. Okay, so by the curriculum, students might, you have seen in the schooling level, A part which has a 6 compulsory subjects, then B part which consists of PE, computer, along with that ME. That is moral education. One separate subject has started where the child will learn different kinds of values and moral things. So now it is a need to start a moral education in a schooling level where the child is going to learn this all the values, and as he become elder, as he become youth, he will go against the corruption. First himself he will aware about the corruption. Okay, one good example is told here. Curriculum should be motivate to the children about this, and curriculum should consist the value education which goes against the corruption. Okay, and one thing is has told here, the density a person, especially Kothari Commission. Kothari Commission has told that the density of country is shaped in classroom. Density of country is shaped in or shaped in classroom. It means that कल के नागरिक उनका निर्माण स्कूल में ही होता है. आज के बच्चे कल के नागरिक बनेंगे, एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक बनेंगे, और वो जिम्मेदार नागरिक बनाने का काम क्लासरूम्स में किया जाता है, स्कूल कॉलेजेस में किया जाता है. That's why the education is very important, which provides value education, moral education to the children and to the younger ones, which is very important against the corruption. They will become aware by getting this moral education and value education. Okay, that is the first one. Second one, morality. Again, point comes as like saying, morality on this earth. Yeah, Mahatma Gandhi has told, on this earth, there is enough for everyone's need, not for greed. This is very important. On this earth, there is enough for everyone's need, not for greed. आवश्यकता के अनुसार इस पृथ्वी पर हर एक को मिलेगा, लेकिन ग्रीड, उसका जो लालच है, उसके लिए नहीं मिलेगा। यानी जिस भगवान ने हमें बनाया, उस भगवान ने इस धरती पर जिसको जो चाहिए वो भी दिया है, लेकिन आप आपके आवश्यकता से ज्यादा नहीं ले सकते। अगर आप आपकी आवश्यकता से ज्यादा लेते हैं तो वो दूसरे का लेते हो, दूसरे के पेट को लात मार कर आप वो खा रहे हो या उसका संग्रह कर रहे हो। That's why in Jainism one term is there, that is अपरिग्रह, यानी जितना आवश्यक है उतना ही कमाओ, उससे ज्यादा आप कमाओगे तो वो दूसरे के हक का आप कमा रहे हो, उसका हक आप छीन रहे हो। Definitely, this tells us that we and let be, which is going to be very important for you. Live and let live also. Even this morality, what the total population is there? What the total population is there? Out of that, 0.5% of the population which comes in between the 18 to 35 age younger ones. जितनी हमारे देश की जनसंख्या है, उस जनसंख्या के संख्या की आधी या आधा पॉपुलेशन वो पूरे यूथ है। सो दैट यूथ शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट दिस करप्शन। सो द मोरालिटी हैज टू बी गिवन, imparted in the minds of children, in the minds of youths, because youths are the nation builder and they are the supporter of the nation. Youths are nation builders. They can build a good nation if they are morally fit, they have value education. Okay, so and sometimes what happens, some people need white collar job. Which is a white collar? Corruption is called as white collar criminality. White collar criminality. जो क्रिमिनल्स होते हैं वो तो सीधा मर्डर करते हैं या फिर लूटते हैं, लेकिन ये व्हाइट कॉलर वाले यानी दूसरे का हक मार के, दूसरों का पैसा चुरा के उनको ठगते हैं। And they will show it as we not them nothing. We are pure as like water. But it is called as a white collar criminality. This corruption is. So this is about the morality. Third one is about means and ends. Means and ends. We should make our children, we should make our youngers aware about the corruption, how they can lead a life. That democratic values, maintaining of transparency, following peaceful ways, values of democracy, Transparency. Transparency means whatever you are going to do, it should be clear. There should not be any hidden things. जैसे सरकार का जो भी कारोबार चलता है तो उसका लिखा चिट्ठा होना चाहिए, कितना पैसा खर्च किया, कितना पैसा कौन से फील्ड पे खर्च किया. So it should be clear. Means each and every person should know about it. So that comes in the means and ends. Even further, ways, peaceful ways and tolerance, respecting elders. Peaceful ways and tolerance. Tolerance we call respect. Respecting elders. These things we have to teach properly in a family to the youths. Then the children and the youths will become much aware about the corruption and they will not go through that corruptions. A further point, fourth, which is called as role models. जैसे आज के बच्चे हीरो हीरोइंस को कॉपी करते हैं, अच्छे पॉलिटिशियंस को कॉपी करते हैं, तो ऐसे उन बच्चों के सामने हमें टीचर्स एंड पेरेंट्स हैव टू कीप सम ऑफ रोल मॉडल्स. ओके, जैसे छोटे बच्चे आप देख सकते हो, कार्टून देखते हैं, कार्टून मूवीज देखते हैं या फिर सीरियल्स देखते हैं और उस सीरियल में एक कैरेक्टर जो रहता है, जैसे आज भी कॉलेज के आधे से बच्चों को डोरेमोन, पोकेमोन, ओके, ऐसे कार्टून बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं तो उनको वो कॉपी करते हैं या फिर हीरो हीरोइन की हेयर स्टाइल कॉपी करते हैं, उनकी वॉकिंग स्टाइल कॉपी करते हैं, ड्रेसिंग सेंस कॉपी करते हैं. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, if we give them good models or the role models like Swami Vivekananda, then APJ Abdul Kalam, like Jayaprakash Narayan, Subhash Chandra Bose, if we give these kind of examples, role models, definitely like Buddha, Mahavira, even number of the people, Shivaji Maharaj also, who is a very prominent one. एक स्पेशली शिवाजी महाराज का नाम एक आदमी के बाद मुझे कैसे याद आया कि वो करप्शन या फिर कितने सख्त थे. उन्होंने अपने सैनिकों को बताया था कि किसी भी औरत पर, बाल बच्चे पर या फिर ब्राह्मणों पर कभी भी अत्याचार नहीं होना चाहिए तथा जो किसान होते हैं, किसानों के खेत में जो धान होते हैं उनकी कभी हानि नहीं होनी चाहिए और औरतों का मान सम्मान करना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, हमारा कर्तव्य है. जब एक बंधन है, यहाँ तक कि उनके खुद के बेटे ने जब एक औरत की तरफ बुरी नजर से देखा था तो उन्होंने अपने बच्चे को ही शासित किया था. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ वैल्यूज, दैट काइंड ऑफ मॉरल रोल मॉडल्स एंड दैट एजुकेशन वी शुड प्रोवाइड. ओके, इवन स्वामी विवेकानंद has quoted one well thing that awake arise, stop not, still you reach the goal. उठो, दौड़ते रहो, अपने ध्येय की ओर दौड़ते रहो, तब तक मत रुको जब तक आप उस ध्येय की पूर्ति नहीं करते. Awake arise, stop not, still you reach the goal. तो ऐसे घोड़े की तरह हमें भागना चाहिए कि ना इधर उधर भटकना चाहिए. हमने जो लक्ष्य रखा है उसी मार्ग पर हमें चलना चाहिए. अनेक से संकट आएंगे, अनेक से हर्डल्स आएंगे आपके मार्ग में, वो करप्शन के तौर पर ही आएंगे, लेकिन हमें अपने मार्ग से भटकना नहीं है, हटना नहीं है. हाउ टू कीप फोकस एंड वर्क ऑन द पाथ ऑफ योर गोल. ओके, सो रोल मॉडल्स आर लाइक विवेकानंद, APJ Abdul Kalam. What a personality, whom we call as a missile man of country. A being the person, remain as a president also. But when the survey was done, how much total land or how much property he has, so it was only found very few traces, one 10 by 10 room, that was his property, 10 by 10 one room, and very 2 to 3 traces it was found, it was his property. And if you go and check nowadays, just one of the MLA, so crores of rupees property he will be having. Bank balance, land, even number of jewelries, number of homes, number of businesses, petrol pumps, and many things. So because of what? Yes, because of this corruption itself. That's why we have to keep such a role models in front of the children. The children should not have any kind of illegal things. They should not have any kind of cheatings by this kind of things. So that is it. And this person, APJ Abdul Kalam, whenever he gets the chance, always he used to go and mingle with the children, students, even youths, and he used to inspire that you just learn, walk on the good path, hurdles will be there, and just finally achieve your destiny. Okay? Just keep focused and what is this? Goal oriented. ध्येय का बस आपको आपके सामने बस ध्येय आपका लक्ष्य आना चाहिए, ना ही कोई दूसरी चीजें. जैसे द्रोणाचार्य ने अपनी शिष्यों की एक बार परीक्षा लेनी चाहिए, तो एक पेड़ पर एक पक्षी को टांग दिया और बताया, और सारे धनुर्धारियों को इधर एक साथ खड़ा किया. हर एक धनुर्धारी को उन्होंने पूछा तुम्हें क्या दिखाई दे रहा है, तो एक ने कहा मुझे पेड़ दिखाई दे रहा है, तो एक दूसरे ने कहा कि मुझे वो पहाड़ दिखाई दे रहा है पेड़ के नीचे, तो तीसरे ने कहा कि मुझे पंछी दिखाई दे रहा है. लेकिन जब अर्जुन को पूछा गया तो अर्जुन ने बताया कि मुझे बस उस पक्षी की आंख दिखाई दे रही है. और जैसे ही कहा तो सीधा अर्जुन ने वो तीर उस पक्षी की आंख में चलाया. These kind of things are goal oriented. You should focus on your goal. So that kind of role models we should provide to the children, like Swami Vivekananda, APJ Abdul Kalam, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev. These are also a good role models for the patriotism. Okay, even I am telling you, there will be some good things in heroine that you have to copy. But not only their talking style, their hairstyle, not only the dressing sense you have to copy. So which are the good things that we have to adopt from each and every one. Okay, so eradication of corruption, even attaining of the good governance, these things are also told by APJ Abdul Kalam, the whole Muslim of the country. And the fifth point is youth movements. So which youth movements haven't started? As I told here, कि भारत की पूरी जो जनसंख्या है उसमें से आधी लगभग 50% जो संख्या है वो सारी युति है. Even more than that, in election we see 70% of the youth comes. But early age is called as this 35 especially. Even these are considered as what it is, youth. And 50% of population is filled in a country with the younger ones. That is 50% youngers found in India, which is the percentage highest in the world. No other country has this much percentage of the youth generation. And these youths, when they come together, then they can achieve anything. So for that, Lok Nayak J. Prakash Narayan belongs to Bihar. He also has started one of a movement against the corruption. So when the youth students will mingle, when they will aware about the of these kind of movements, definitely they will participate and they will support with these kind of movements. In 1970, this movement was started, which revolted against the corruption administration who traveled all over India. This J.P. Narayan, he had traveled across the country in 1970 to fight against the corruption. He has gathered, he has motivated all the youths. Youths got motivated by Jay Prakash Narayan, Lok Nayak Jay Prakash Narayan, J.P. Narayan. Okay, so this movement has started across the country, which is going to fight against the corruption in administration. Okay, then All India Assam students, All India All Assam Students Union, AASU, All Assam Students Union. Okay, so that Assam, where the students came and they started fight against a movement against the corruption. So number of the movements, youth movement, have started across the country, which are going to fight against the corruption. So J.P. Narayan. Then afterwards, one more important name comes, that is Anna Hazare, belongs to Maharashtra. This person also has started one of the movement. That movement is called as India against corruption. And all you have supported for this movement, India against corruption, which has been started by Anna Hazare. So one of the best movement supported by the youth, and youth has much power if they come together, if they start fighting with that. Even number of Anna Hazare, because of himself, that RTI, Right to Information, this bill was passed. Even Lokpal, Lokayukta, which are going to be fight against the corruption. Okay, RTE is there. By that RTE, everyone is going to get the education. Okay, even Lokpal, Lokayukta, these kind of things which are going to be against the corruption. So being